Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new. I did use the RevAir on my hair today, so if you want to see how I can get this hair in 7 minutes flat, keep watching. Thank you so much, RevAir, for sending me this product to try. I am beyond thrilled. So I'm gonna go ahead and section my hair out off camera really quick. I did put my normal styling products in, a little bit of an oil just on the ends, and then a blow drying cream and a smoothing cream, because obviously we want this to get rather smooth. All right, now that I'm looking really adorable, I'm gonna let down this little guy. Now it says to do 3x3 sections, and also to make sure that the hair is tangle free. I'm gonna take half of this. I'm gonna start with the high heat setting. I know that a 1 or a 2 probably won't do much for my hair, so I'm gonna start on a 3, and then we'll see if we can move it on up. This is a good look. I'm actually like perplexed. I'm gonna turn the speed up and see if we can get just a little bit more of this kink out, but oh my goodness, I am so excited. That is so thrilling. So I didn't even go all the way up, which I really wanted to know if hair kinkier or curlier than mine, if this would be a product that would work. So when I first started on 3, I mean, it got it pretty darn straight. I kicked it up to 5, which I think is the perfect for my hair type, since I do have a lot of hair, but it is fine per strand. So for me, the high heat and level 5 is what works perfect for me. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the rest of my head and kind of do a little time lapse on this. I might catch up with you guys at certain little spots. What I will say is they do suggest tapping at the root. Now my roots got pretty darn straight. I did leave it there for just a touch longer than suggested. You're really supposed to just tap at the root and move on. So I would not suggest pressing and holding it to the root, because keeping it kind of just a touch away does kind of protect your scalp and protect you from the heat that is coming from this guy. I'm in love. If you don't have this, you're gonna need it. I'm gonna try this entire section so we can get like a full 3x3. I would say that's about 3x3, and we'll see how this guy does. I'm gonna put a timer on my phone just because I'm super curious now. "25 seconds. I'm gonna give it 5 more seconds. Okay, so for real now, I'm gonna do the rest of my head. I am gonna put a timer on because I'd like to know, I mean, these took a minute, so I want to see how long the rest of my hair will take. My fronts are a little thinner than the back, so that'll be the real test, but I'm gonna set a timer, do this guy, and I will come back with what I think about everything. Okay, I am a hairdresser, and what I will say is I have a touch of kink in the bottom of this. I'm gonna spray just the bottoms, because that's what I will do if I have a guest and they just won't smooth. Not super wet, just a little damp. It did exactly that, which I think is exciting for girls with super curly hair to know. So instead of leaving the wand all the way up here with your hair down at the end of the tube, well, not at the end because the tube is like 6 feet long, but I kind of, by pulling it down a little bit more, I mean, it feels so soft and smooth, and you can see just by redoing the little ends there, that those are much smoother than these little guys. So I'm gonna do the same with this. I imagine it'll take me another 5 seconds, which I definitely can spare 5 seconds compared to how long it used to take me.
Hello?
How loud is it?
I can't hear it.
You can't hear it? Well, that's good.
Well, let me see. Hold on. Turn it on.
Well, you're gonna be able to hear it through the phone. I'm gonna mute the phone.
Okay.
Can you hear it?
No, not at all.
Oh my god.
I had to spend so long using my previous blow dryer that I think I'm overdoing it. I think that when I pull this out, my hair is like bone dry, and I probably could have taken it out like 10 seconds before that.